So I'm giving this wig out. No, I want to revamp this wig because, you know, look at it. It needs to be, what do they call it? The strands needs to be filled at the front. I forgot what they call things like that. But yeah, I'm giving it to be revamped. So let's see the work they are going to do. I wanted to give out my curly wig too for revamping, but the lady was like, I need to change the frontal lace. Imagine, oh my god. So I'm starting with this first. Let's see the job they do. I think from the middle. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Bye. So the wig is back. She sent it yesterday. That means this wig took about 3 weeks to be revamped. Right. So let's open it. Before I open it, guys, let's talk about my braids on my hair. This is Didi. The woman used the woman did Didi. So if your hair gets rough on time, you should tell your hairdresser or your hairstylist, whatever, to do Didi for you. Like, see how neat it is. Like, she literally picked my scalp. It's giving scalp. So if you have natural hair and your hair gets rough really fast, you should try Didi, and I think it actually makes your hair grow too. So let's get back to the review. Wow. Like, the hair feels so soft. This is exactly how it was when I bought it initially. Oh my god, like, even the scent. What do these people put on hair that make it smell so good? Like, this smells like a new hair. My hair is back. She's back. It feels so soft. Oh my god, I really misused this hair. Well, it's back. It's soft. I wish you guys could feel the texture. I wish you guys could feel the texture. Oh my god, delicious. Like, it's brand new. Okay, I also gave her to what do you guys call that stuff? I forgot what it's called. Okay, I think it's ventilate. I don't know, but some strands were off the wig, so I told her to add extra strands. So she revamped this hair. Oh god, I'm in love. And the smell is killing me. So I told her to revamp it, one, and she also reventilated the wig, I guess. She also changed this band, because the band on it before was really loose, and she was kind enough to change it. Thank you. The new band she put. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, let's try it on. Oh my god, this hair is brand new. Fuck, man. Wow, man, you guys, girls should revamp your hair more often, because wow, I can't believe this is the same wig. Like, look at that. Can you look at this? Oh shit, this is your sign to revamp that wig. Like, go to revamp your wig here. She's so good. And if not for anything, for your hair will smell new. Like, this is giving me new hair smell. I feel brand new. I feel brand new. Guys, expect more videos coming, more wig install videos, because this hair is giving everything. Man, this hair is just wow. You guys, oh my god, like, see the strands now. Man, I can't even express how happy I am. Like, this is not how I look on a normal day. Like, the wig is even sensing as if I just bought it. Oh shit, man.
The girl try you. The way we go gym.
No, I'm just doing video. Like, now what? I mean, is that your wig set? You're supposed to revamp it.
This thing. How much did you revamp it? Off camera.
I beg you. Wow. This will just be so for sense.
Wait, is it like that you're straight there?
Yes, man.
I bet help me give her my own.
I wonder what she put on it that is even safe.
How many days did it take?
Like weeks.
Yeah, but she tried
Like
shower.
3 weeks.
It reached. See the strands.
Like, this is how it was when I first bought it.
You the shake.
Wow.
You the shake.
Okay.
The strands is not showing. Put it up very well. No, she sabi. Even her packaging too is very.
You won't replace this band.
Cute.
Bye. Bye, guys. I won't go gym. Bye.